Question 1. How can we run the graph? What is the procedure for that? How can we schedule the graph in UNIX? Answer. If you want to run the graph through GD, then after save the graph, just press F5 button of your keyboard. It will run automatically. If you want to run through the shell script, then you have to fire the command at your UNIX box. Question 2. What is Informatica architecture? Answer. Informatica architecture contains repository, repository server administration console, sources, repository server and data warehousing, and it have the designer, workflow manager, workflow monitor. Combination of all these are called Informatica architecture. Question 3. What is data warehouse architecture? Answer. Data warehousing is the repository of integrated information. Data will be extracted from the heterogeneous sources. Data warehousing architecture contains the different sources like Oracle, flat files and ERP. Then after it have the staging area and data warehousing. After that it has the different data mates. Then it have the reports and it also have the ODS, operation data store. This complete architecture is called the data warehousing architecture. Question 4. What is data analysis? Where it will be used? Answer. Data analysis. Consider that you are running a business and you store the data of that in some form, say in register or in a comp, and at the year end you want to know the profit or loss, then it called data analysis. Data analysis use. Then you want to know which product was sold the highest, and if the business is running in a loss, then finding where we went wrong, we do analysis. Question 5. What are data modeling and data mining? Where it will be used? Answer. Data modeling is the process of designing a database model. In this data model, data will be stored in two types of table: fact table and dimension table. Fact table contains the transaction data and dimension table contains the master data. Data mining is process of finding the hidden trends is called the data mining. Question 6. After the complete generation of a report, who will test the report and who will analyze it? Answer. After the completion of reporting, reports will be sent to business analysts. They will analyze the data from different points of view so that they can make a proper business decisions. Question 7. Where the data cube technology is used? Answer. A multi-dimensional structure called the data cube. A data abstraction allows one to view aggregated data from a number of perspectives. Conceptually, the cube consists of a core or base cuboids surrounded by a collection of subcubes/cuboids that represent the aggregation of the base cuboids along one or more dimensions. We refer to the dimension to be aggregated as the measure attribute, while the remaining dimensions are known as the feature attribute. Question 8. What is critical column? Answer. Let us take 1x. Suppose XYZ is customer in Bangalore. He was residing in the city from the last 5 years. In the period of 5 years he has made purchases worth of 3 lakhs. Now, he moved to HID. When you update the XYZ city to HID in your warehouse, all the purchases by him will show in city HID only. This makes warehouse inconsistent. Here city is the critical column. Solution is use surrogate key. Question 9. What is the main difference between star and Snowflake star schema? Which one is better and why? Answer. If you have one-to-many relationship in the data, then only we choose Snowflake schema. As per the performance-wise, everyone go for the star schema. Moreover, if the ETL is concerned with reporting, means choose for Snowflake because the schema provides more browsing capability than the former schema. Question 10. What is the difference between dependent data warehouse and independent data warehouse? Answer. Dependent departments are those which depend on a dataware for their data. Independent departments are those which get their data directly from the operational data sources in the organization. Question 11. What is the difference between metadata and data dictionary? Answer. Metadata is nothing but information about data. It contains the information, i.e. data, about the graphs, its related files, abinetio commands, server information, etc., i.e. all kinds of information about project-related information, etc. Question 12. Describe referential integrity. Answer. A rule defined on a column or set of columns in one table that allows the insert or update of a row only if the value for the column or set of columns, the dependent value, matches a value in a column of a related table, the referenced value. It also specifies the type of data manipulation allowed on referenced data and the action to be performed on dependent data as a result of any action on referenced data. Question 13. What is an index? Answer. An index is an optional structure associated with a table to have direct access to rows, which can be created to increase the performance of data retrieval. Index can be created on one or more columns of a table. Question 14. What are the referential actions supported by foreign key integrity constraint? Answer. Update and delete restrict. A referential integrity rule that disallows the update or deletion of referenced data. Delete cascade. When a referenced row is deleted, all associated dependent rows are deleted. Question 15. What is the use of control file? Answer. When an instance of an Oracle database is started, its control file is used to identify the database and read to log files that must be opened for database operation to proceed. It is also used in database recovery.